We've been walking around a bit. About to take it back inside. The computer was showing signs of life. Thank you, God. So we're gonna try and see, what type of networks we can build with online. This is a beautiful thing going on right now. We are raising awareness right now for the community. People want to help the community, it's just that they don't know where to start. We're going to give them a foundation. Just something little they can do. The smallest, the easiest form of support is just give me a name and number. We just want to stay in contact with you because there's going to be events going on, things that are going to be going on in the community to help the community that you're going to want to know about, and that's probably why you want to give your name and number to stay updated on that. So I'm smiling at people and they're trying to look off, but that's the beauty of it because everybody's going to smile back eventually. Saying hello back, you know what I'm saying? Just simple shit that people don't really, they grow up and they're, I don't. Alright, we got, he's seen this before, so. But we're gonna get people just to be saying hi back to each other. It's not really like instead of viewing people as fucked up, people are gonna start viewing people as good people. Because we're all good people. It's just, you can't let the bad apples, put a stain on how you view people. And it starts with you. You're the one person you can change. And we're gonna go into that a little bit deeper about how changing you can really help change other people. Because building your leadership skills, So we're gonna get inside.